Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to quickly find your Kickstarter back number. First of all, log into the kickstarter.com or open it from the or download it from the Play Store or App Store and simply open it. And make sure you have connected to your account or sign up to the Google or Facebook account. Then after you have logged in, click on that profile picture at the top right and select back project. After here, go to your profile. Here you'll see your backed project. These show all the campaign that you have supported. Then open your place details. Now choose the project you want, then click view place or manage your place. Scroll down to your place details. You will see your back number listed there. You will see your project here, then you will see your place number after clicking that project. After scrolling below, you will see your back number listed there. This number is unique to each project, and that's it. That's how you find back number on Kickstarter. That's super easy. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.